Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Chantel here. You can just see me for the first time, and I am a Nigerian-based YouTuber.
My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say.
It's been raining, so if you're hearing any sound, please ignore it. It is raining heavily as I speak. So this video is just a quick one. I got inspired yesterday night. You won't believe that. I got inspired when I saw an ice cream man with his bicycle. I'm just going to list out a bunch of businesses that I believe will thrive this period, this festive period, down to maybe first and second week of January. If you're someone who's been cracking his or her brain on what to do for extra money this period, then keep on watching. You guys, skill is everything, handwork is everything. I am someone who is pro handwork. No matter what you read in school, no matter the degrees you have, if you don't have something doing with your hand that you can fall back on at each time in your life, then I think you should go learn one. I'm of the opinion that my children, every long vacation, once they clock 15 years, they must go and learn something, some skill that will just help them in life. That being said, let's just get into the video proper. So the first business I'm going to list out for this onward December, these are onward December businesses that will boom this period, because every household is in need of something like this. Water, guys. Everybody needs water this period. So if you're looking for something else to do aside your 9 to 5, you can go and buy water in bulk from any of these water making factories and sell. The other day when I was in traffic, I was just, because I'm this person that I observe a lot, and these people that sell water, I noticed that they have stopped mixing it with soda, because water is booming more than soda. I believe that most people are trying to cut down on their sugar intake these days, so the sale of water is everything. You don't need to buy any extra thing. If you have a freezer in your house, just buy water and stock up there. Tell your neighbors, tell your friends, tell your office mates that, oh, I'm selling water now. You don't have to go outside, you can buy from me, and you will make more sales. Because I believe that those people that sell, the resellers, those that sell for retail, if you buy wholesale, there's a discounted rate you will get, and you'll be sure to make some profits off it. Okay. The number 2 thing is what I mentioned that inspired the video: ice cream and cold drinks. That's sodas and juices and the rest of them. Even though I believe that majority of people have cut down on their sugar, there's still some people that take sugar. I have a cousin. My cousin is Izzy. If you're watching this, Izzy is the sugar monster. People like Izzy will buy from you. I'm sure she's watching this and say she'll call me up and say you're very stupid. Cold drinks, ice cream, sweets in general that are liquid, people will patronize you. It's something that is just temporary. After this period, you can go back to doing your 9 to 5, but for extra quick cash, this is something to look into. Number 3 is delivery business. This one requires more startup capital, because you might have to invest in getting a bike. But I believe that your turnover will be very quick and you will recover your capital in no time. So delivery business now is booming, because so many businesses are selling and people don't even have the time to come and pick up. They just opt for delivery. In Port Harcourt here, it ranges between 500 to 800 naira, depending on your location in town. So 500 naira from, say, 10 people in a day, that's 5,000 naira already. How much fuel are you going to buy to put in your bike? How much are you going to pay the bike man at the end of the month? So it's a win-win if you ask me. The only downside to it, which is not really a downside, is the startup capital. It's cooking business. You guys, so many people are getting married this December. So many people are having child education this December. The way people are celebrating birthdays this December. So many people are just even celebrating life. Nothing tied to it. They just want to have barbecue. They just want to cook rice and call people. If you can cook very well, tell your friends, say, oh, I can cook this for you, I can make this soup, I can make Nigerian jollof for you, I can make Ghanaian jollof for you, and you don't have to pay me as much as you would pay a chef outside. You get, I will give you a discounted rate, but I will do something amazing for you. I'm gonna rent out the utensils, the pots, the stove, the serving plates and all, and just cook this food. There's so much gain in food business. I'm just not that type of person that likes to cook. If not, I would have dabbled into cooking by now, because I know that there's so much gain in that business. Okay, baking, birthdays, weddings, just come and hang out in my house. Banana bread people are selling like water these days. So if you have a skill in baking, invest in it. You can make things like donuts, you can make things like meat pies. I can remember during my my super shop event, I was looking for where I could get mini donuts and mini meat pies, but I didn't have that option. I didn't see anybody. I even went to everyday supermarket to order those ones, but they still give me the massive size. So if you do things like bite size of donut, bite size of meat pie, bite size of banana bread, just give it as a combo and put a price tag on it. People will buy it, trust me. It's not every time about them small chops. Some people just like sweets, but in bite size that they can just use, walk around, share to people. Just keep it affordable and people will buy. Okay? Thank me later or give me a percentage of it, okay? My 6th point is shopping errand person. If you're in the abroad, people like us here in Nigeria that are going through the whole Nigerian card issues right now, we need people abroad that can buy these things for us and ship it to us here in Nigeria. The only thing, you're just going to charge a fee. I don't know how on time this video is because I know that shipping to Nigeria now is a bit slow because there's so much traffic. But if you can do it now, the person can get it for New Year or something. It's something to look into. If you're in the UK, you're in the US, and you don't really have a lot of things going on for you now, you can go to these stores, buy these things that people want, and just charge them a certain percentage. And you're done. If you're also in Nigeria, you can help people go to the market to buy things like meat, tomatoes, crayfish, pepper, onions, and the like for Christmas. What you can do, that's if you're buoyant enough, you can get one goat or half cow and tell people, oh, I have this to share for this number of people. If you're interested, you can send the money to me and we will share it and send it your way. People like me that are willing to pay for things like this, people like me that don't like market runs at all, will patronize you. Trust me. If you buy a goat for maybe 40,000 naira and you tell me that, oh, per person is 15,000 naira for 4 people, you're already making about 10,000 naira gain from it. So it's a win-win. You can go and buy a bag of crayfish and share it amongst a number of people. You can go and buy onions, you can go and buy tomatoes. You can go to these markets that are out of town, that things like this are cheaper there. So once you come out, you can sell it for the rate at which they will get it from markets like Fruit Garden. I'm talking from Port Harcourt. That way you're still making your gain and the person that's buying from you does not feel ripped off, because if he or she goes to the market, they will buy for that same price, and they are not. They are just sitting in their living room and you're selling these things to them. So yeah, these are things that you can do this Christmas period, this festive period, this onward December period to make extra cash. My 7th point is selling of clothes and accessories, which is the one I dabbled into with Chantel Tricksters. There is money in it, especially this festive period. Everybody wants new clothes for Christmas. Everybody wants new earrings. Everybody wants new footwear. Everybody wants new handbag for Christmas. So I don't think it's late. This is, what's this date? This is the 12th of December, so you can actually get things and sell sharp. Just tell your friends, oh, I have this top that will fit you, I have this dress that will fit you, come and buy. Or you can just do a quick event and invite people. Create highlights for the event that people will look forward to, like huge sales, drinks on me, sweets on me, things like that, and people will come and you will sell. Okay? 8th business that I believe will thrive this December is makeup. If you know how to do makeup, you do not need a shop. Just buy a few foundations. Luckily for you, these days foundations come in an array of undertone. So if this person has this undertone and the other person has this undertone, you can buy one foundation and make it work. By the time you highlight and contour, everything will be married together and you will get a smooth finish and a good base. Okay, so you don't need a shop for that. Just word of mouth, send on WhatsApp, oh, I know how to do makeup. Or if you have an event that you need a makeup artist for this period, I'm your go-to. I will not charge you so much because this is just a part-time job. So if you're looking for someone to make you, please call me and I'll be there. Okay, makeup is doing well this period. I know that, yeah, makeup is doing well, even though I've never had to pay for makeup, but I know that so many people are looking for makeup artists these days. My mom's friends, they are looking for makeup artists. My mom is, she's like, oh, Kelly, do you know how much this person charged my friend to do makeup? Because I went to my mom because she doesn't have to pay. Do you know how much this person charged? That blah 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 blah. So I know that people are looking for makeup because these women are complaining. So if your price is cheaper than the norm, they will definitely use you. Another thing is gele. Makeup and gele are supposed to go together, but I know that it's not everybody that knows how to do makeup that knows how to tie gele. So if gele is your thing, you can make money off that. Tell people, oh, I tie gele, I'll just charge you 1K, 1.5, or you pay my transport and I'll charge you lesser than that. You get, so yeah, it's a win-win this period, especially on Saturdays. If you have a 9 to 5, this will not affect you because you work from Monday to Friday, and on Saturday you can get these extra coins from doing things like this. My 10th and final point in this video is transportation or car hire. Everybody is traveling this period. If you have a car at home that you're not using, you can sublet it to them, hire it out to them, and charge them a certain percentage. All you need to do is just to fill the car. You're getting your money back from what they are paying to you. Just make sure that the car is in optimal shape and they're not going to have any issues, like any mechanical problems while using it. You will make your money than leaving the car in your compound. You can also do airport pickup and drop off. If you're a man, after work you can just go for that, wait for people, or even register on apps like Bolt, Spam Drive, and the rest of them, Uber and the likes. You will make extra money this season. This period is very busy. So many people are moving from one location to another, so you will certainly make money off it. Okay? If you have any other idea that you feel like can help people make extra cash, extra coins this period, let us know in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching, give it a thumbs up. If you learned one thing or two, let me know in the comment section as well. Also share this video to people that you feel like needs this knowledge, require this knowledge. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Do you guys like my hair? I vlogged about it. In my next vlog you understand why I have this band on it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Bye.